All right, let's jump right into this. Today we're unpacking one of the most wild, counterintuitive, just totally mind-bending statistical truths in all of math. We're talking about the birthday paradox.
So, I'm going to challenge you right out of the gate here. Ask yourself, how many people does it actually take in a single room to get a coin flip's chance, literally just a flat 50% probability, that two of them share the exact same birthday, keeping in mind there are 365 days in a year? Take a second. Really think about your guess.
Well, before you can even completely lock that in, let me give you the seemingly impossible answer. It is just 23. Yeah, 23 people.
I know. No way, right? If you're feeling a bit of cognitive dissonance right now, don't worry. Your brain is actually just naturally tricking you with this massive psychological glitch. Mathematicians call this a veridical paradox, which basically means it sounds completely wrong at first glance, but it is entirely 100% true.
So here is where the glitch happens. We naturally fall into this me versus everyone else fallacy. Our brains just mistakenly assume we're looking for a match to our own specific birthday. And, if you do that, you're just rolling a 1 in 365 chance over and over again. But the mathematical reality is totally different. We're actually looking for a match between any two random people in that room. You have to check every single possible pairing. To completely bust this paradox and kind of rewire how we see the math here, let's translate those abstract probabilities into a physical, real-world connection.
Think of it like everyone in the room shaking hands. We aren't just comparing you to the rest of the room, we're creating unique combinations. So, person 1 shakes hands with 22 people. Then, person 2 shakes hands with 21 people. Person 3 with 20, and so on, all the way down the line. And this brilliantly illustrates the secret behind the whole thing. Because when you do the math, just 23 people actually create a massive 253 unique handshake opportunities. So you don't just have 23 chances for a match, you actually have 253 distinct chances for a birthday collision to happen between any two people.
But watch what happens when we start scaling up the size of the room. Because once you get past 23 people, the math doesn't just climb steadily, it triggers a complete exponential explosion.
Seriously, look at the sheer velocity of these odds. As our group grows to just 50 people, the probability hits a staggering 97%. And by the time we have 70 people, it becomes a 99.9% guarantee. The number of unique pairs just absolutely skyrockets, basically leaving our linear human brains completely in the dust.
So, the next time you walk into a classroom, maybe an office meeting, or a party with just 24 people, look around. Realize the mathematical magic happening right in front of you. The odds are already in your favor. Ask yourself, who in this room is sharing a birthday?